How to recover Shein account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to recover Shein account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application on your device. You will be led to the home page of Shein. In here, tap on the sign in option you see there. You will then be led to the login portal of Shein. Go ahead and enter your email address in the text box you see there and tap on continue. You will further be asked to enter your password. So, since we want to reset the password, tap on the forgot your password option. You will now have to enter your email address, so enter that and tap on the submit button. If you have verified your account with your phone number, then you can tap on the reset password via phone number option too. I will reset via email. So, once you have tapped on the submit button, you will receive an email from Shein in the email address you entered. So, go ahead and open the email from Shein. You will see the reset password button. Tap on that and choose your browser. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be allowed to change your password. So, go ahead and enter your new password twice and make sure to meet the password requirements, that is, 8 characters minimum, at least 1 letter, and at least 1 number. Once you have entered the password, tap on the save button, and with this, your password will be changed successfully. Now, go back to the Shein application and tap on the return to login button and enter the password you just changed, and with this, you will be logged in to Shein. So, this is how you can reset Shein account password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.